Hello, in today's video we will talk about chapter 6. In the previous video that I have uploaded, few of you had a doubt. So in this video we have already talked about functionalism and how is functionalism related to positivism, and we have contrasted the two theories. We have also seen functionalism as a study of social structure by Radcliffe Brown and Malinowski theory of functionalism. The topic we had left is only of Talcott Parsons, and here we will see why. We have already covered this topic. This is an interrelated topic only. Talcott Parsons is a separate topic. It is also related to chapter 10, so we will discuss it there only, because in this video we have only given the introduction about the Talcott Parsons contribution in understanding social system, but in chapter 10 it is given in detail, so we will see that question in chapter 10. Further moving, you can see that we have already talked about what is functionalism and what is positivism and how is they both related. Functionalism is a theory of society that focuses on the structure that creates the society and on the society is able to remain stable. According to functionalism, society is a whole of interconnected parts where each part contributes to the maintenance of whole. Functional analysis involves the prior conceptualization of the system. If you read the whole paragraph from 1 and 2, you will get to know that what I have talked about there. It is a summary of what I have read here. Further moving, we have talked about Durkheim. This is what we have talked about positivism, and in the previous video only I have told about that you can write also about the 3 laws that Comte had given for positivism, that is theological, metaphysical and positivism. You can refer to that video. We have talked about sociologists like Herbert Spencer and Durkheim. See, we have talked that Durkheim was a positivist, but he had a difference, that because he had not followed certain rules that were followed by other sociologists that were positivist. But we can conclude that sociologists like Radcliffe Brown, Malinowski and many other functionalists that shared the following 5 propositions. We have also talked and discussed about this, that what were the similarity and differences between Durkheim, Comte or any other sociologist. Then we have talked about functionalists that shared the following 5 propositions that I have talked there from your book of IGNOU MSO 001 of block 2 chapter 6. I have summarized the following 5 points and wrote that society is a system like other. You can understand that what is a system. For example, solar system, where each and every part is interconnected, interrelated and independent. Society consists of parts like institution, groups, etc. As you can see around your surrounding also. Each part performs its own function and function in relation to other part. Change in one part or change or influence functioning of other part as they are connected. Entire society cannot be explained with its part. So society has its own identity, own consciousness or collective consciousness. You can refer or read the following paragraph to understand. I have also talked about functionalism in social anthropology about Radcliffe Brown and Malinowski. In your book it is given in 2 subparts: structural functional approach of Radcliffe Brown, and then here it is given about functionalism of Malinowski. I have talked about both these, that what were the differences between Malinowski and A.R. Radcliffe Brown, and structural functional approach of Radcliffe Brown. I have summarized the following points from your book, and functionalism of Malinowski. So you can see that each and every point is in order only from your book. I have also discussed about this table, and this table I have made you understand that how you can elaborate your answer using the table. The topic that I have left was only the functionalism of Talcott-Parsons. And Robert K. Merton, I have defined what he had said about functionalism. That's all. And the Agile paradigm of Talcott-Parsons, we will do it in chapter 10, where it is elaborated in detail. And thank you. If you have any doubt, you can please comment below or contact us on Telegram for notes. Do like and subscribe to our channel for further updates.